Hey there, digital explorers. Today we're diving into Ethereum. It's not just a cryptocurrency, it's a whole digital ecosystem. Intrigued? Let's unravel the world of Ethereum together. Ethereum, more than just money. Ethereum is often mentioned in the same breath as Bitcoin, but it's a different beast. While Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is like a digital universe. At its core, Ethereum is a platform for building and running applications, not just a currency. Think of it as a super advanced version of the App Store on your phone, but decentralized and open to everyone. The power of smart contracts. The secret sauce of Ethereum is smart contracts. These aren't contracts in the traditional sense. Imagine a vending machine. You put in the right amount of money, select your snack, and voila, it's yours. A smart contract automatically does something when certain conditions are met, without needing a middleman. It's like programming, but for real-life agreements and transactions. Ether, the fuel of Ethereum. On Ethereum, there's a special kind of currency called Ether. It's what you use to pay for everything on the Ethereum platform. Every time you run an application or use a smart contract, you pay in Ether. Think of it as buying tokens at an arcade. You need them to play the games. Decentralized apps, dApps. One of the coolest things about Ethereum is decentralized apps, or dApps. These apps run on the Ethereum network, not on a single computer or server. This means they're more secure and harder to take down. Imagine a social media app that no single company controls, or a game where players truly own their in-game items. The world of NFTs and DeFi. Ethereum has also given rise to NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and DeFi, decentralized finance. NFTs are like digital collectibles. Each one is unique and can prove ownership of digital art, music, or even tweets. DeFi, on the other hand, is about handling financial services like loans or investments without traditional banks, all built on Ethereum. Ethereum's challenges and potential. However, Ethereum isn't without its challenges. It's currently going through upgrades to handle more transactions and use less energy. This evolution, called Ethereum 2.0, aims to make it faster and greener. The potential of Ethereum is enormous, from changing how we use the web to reshaping entire industries. And that's a wrap on Ethereum. It's a rich, complex world full of possibilities, from digital art to new ways of banking. Stay curious, keep exploring, and join us next time for more adventures in the digital universe. If you found this video enlightening, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto deep dives. Got a question or a topic you want us to explore? Drop a comment below. See you in the next episode.